You trusted them, not casually, not lightly. You built a future in your mind, picturing vacations, making plans, even growing old together. You called them your boyfriend, your girlfriend, husband, or wife. These weren't just titles. They were symbols of a deep commitment you held dear. Then, something changed. The replies came later and later. Screens were hidden when you walked into the room. The energy between you felt distant, cold. You asked what was wrong, and they reassured you, telling you everything was fine. You wanted so desperately to believe them, and then you found out. Maybe it was the messages you saw. Maybe it was undeniable proof. Or maybe they confessed. Worse still, perhaps you never got a confession at all. Just a deepening silence, a growing distance, and the slow, agonizing realization that you were being replaced. Cheating is not just betrayal. It is a profound humiliation. It makes you question everything about yourself, your body, your attractiveness, your value, your intelligence. You start replaying every moment, every conversation, torturing yourself with questions. Was I not enough? Was I too much? Did I somehow push them away? Did I miss the signs? Pause right here. This is the point where your suffering begins to multiply, where the initial pain spirals into something much worse. The ancient Stoics would say you are confusing two separate things, their action and your worth. These two things are not the same. A person who cheats reveals their own character, not your inadequacy. Infidelity is a conscious decision. It is never an accident, and it is certainly never caused by your existence. You may have your flaws, and you may have made mistakes in the relationship, but cheating is not a mistake, it is a deliberate choice. Now let's talk about the pain. You must let yourself feel it. The image of them with someone else. The thought of them laughing, touching, sharing the intimacy that was once reserved for you. Feel the anger, feel the sick feeling in your stomach. Do not try to suppress these emotions. But at the same time, do not let them take control of you. Because beneath all that anger is a feeling of attachment. You believed, this is mine, this is secure, this could never happen to me. But the hard truth is that nothing is immune to not vows, not promises, not even wedding rings. Marriage does not eliminate human weakness, and commitment does not erase a person's fundamental character. The Stoic truth is a difficult one to accept. You never truly owned them. You were simply walking beside them on a shared path, not possessing them. When they cheated, they chose to step off that path. But you remain. You are still standing. You are still breathing. And you are still capable of building your life again. So, what do you do now? First, you must end the illusion. Stop romanticizing who they were or what you had. See the situation with absolute clarity. They chose to betray you. This clarity is your new source of strength. Second, separate the feeling of rejection from the idea of replacement. They did not upgrade from you. They simply revealed themselves for who they are. Someone who violates trust is not an improvement over you. Third, you must reclaim your discipline. When you've been betrayed, the natural impulse is towards chaos. You might want to seek revenge, to beg them to come back, to make drunken phone calls, or to obsessively scroll through their social media. Do none of it. Your silence is a display of dominance. Your stillness is a position of authority. Let them feel the profound absence of your energy, and in turn, you will feel the return of your own control. Fourth, raise your standards. This doesn't mean building walls around your heart. It means establishing clear standards for what you will and will not tolerate. That knowledge you've gained is a form of power. And fifth, rebuild your identity. You are not the one who got cheated on. You are the one who learned from this experience. The one who survived humiliation. The one who chose to act with dignity in the face of betrayal. The Stoic path is not about becoming cold or emotionless. It's about finding strength without making noise. Yes, you loved them, and yes, it hurts immensely. But remember that pain is temporary, while character is permanent. If they were disloyal, they saved you a lifetime of uncertainty. If they were unfaithful, they removed themselves from your future. Think about it this way. You lost someone who was willing to betray you. They lost someone who would not. There is no equality in that exchange. You are now grounded in stillness, even amidst the impermanence of life. That is your foundation. You will love again. But the next time, you will do so with clearer eyes, stronger boundaries, and a quieter, more profound confidence. And if they ever look back, wondering what became of you, they will see calm where they expected to see chaos. And that, in itself, will be the strongest message of all. Thank you for watching.